Part 1. How to draw a single orange with touch markers. Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a super cute, juicy orange using hard-tip touch markers. Let's start with the basics. Just sketch out the shape of the orange using a pencil. Most oranges are, well, basically round like a ball. Simple, right? Once you're happy with the sketch, go ahead and outline it with a fine liner to clean it up. Now for the fun part, color. Start with a base layer of yellow. This gives us a good foundation and helps us map out where the light and shadow areas will be. Next, grab a yellow with more of an orange tone and start deepening the shadows. Don't worry about being too smooth. Those marker strokes can actually add a nice texture. Now layer on some orange yellow to build up the color. Keep it soft, more like little dabs or touches to give it depth. Add a few blotchy areas with orange to mimic the natural texture of the peel. Then use a deeper orange to draw in some subtle texture and those little dips you see on real oranges. Use a lighter orange to smooth out any harsh transitions. And then go in again with deep orange to create some areas with pigment buildup. You can even bring back a bit of yellow in places to add extra richness. Now for the highlights. Take a 0 marker or white gel pen and lightly in the highlight areas to make them pop. Let's move on to the leaf. Start with a flat base of green. Then use a slightly darker green to build up shadows. You can go in with a more saturated green. Then add a touch of brown to warm it up. Use a dark brown to deepen the shadows even more, and a bit of mid-green to soften the transitions. To finish, take a white colored pencil and draw tiny reflective spots for that realistic look. Now, to bring out the texture of the peel even more, take a reddish-brown colored pencil and add little freckles, or dots, across the orange. Then, touch up the highlights with white again if needed.
And that's it.
One juicy orange done. Part 2. How to draw a sliced orange. Let's move on to the cut orange. Start by lightly sketching out the cut surface. I used a Pilot S3 pencil here. Once you've got the shape down, ink and clean it up. We'll skip that step here for now. Lay down a base layer of light yellow and leave some areas white for highlights. Now take a soft orange yellow and layer it over the base color. But don't cover everything. You still want those lighter areas to shine through. Then, use a more saturated orange to add a few vibrant touches here and there, just to bring it to life. You can even pop in a tiny bit of orange red in the deeper parts for extra richness. Use lemon yellow to fill in any areas that look a little flat, and just keep adjusting the tones until it feels juicy and full. You can keep refining with more light yellow to smooth out any uneven spots. Then grab an orange marker for the outer peel and add in some shadow using a deeper tone like a burnt orange or dark yellow. If any part feels too empty, go back in with light yellow and gently fill it out. Finish up by adding highlights with a white-colored pencil. And optionally, you can add a layer of reddish orange on the peel to boost the warmth. And there you have it, a fresh orange slice. Quick tips. Think of the orange like a ball. The way light hits it follows the same rules as a sphere. The peel's texture is rough with tiny dimples, so colored pencils are great for adding that detail. Layering similar colors adds that beautiful marker texture, which really helps show the pigment buildup on the skin. Let me know if you try it out, and feel free to tag me. I'd love to see your sweet little oranges.